Let me get to one more before we take a break. Alibaba, the shares are up huge this week. 15%, it's a new 52-week high. They're going to spend aggressively in AI. I think that was a story of the week, at least it relates to that name. You're a believer now in these Chinese internet names. You bought the KWEB and you bought PDD. I talked a lot in the last couple of weeks about, sort of Tepper doubling down on his belief that these stocks are a place to be. His 13F revealed the fact that he increased the holdings of all of the Chinese names that he had owned. PDD included, JD, Alibaba, I think it was Baidu was the other. What's your thesis here?
Yeah, and I was talking to Dave as he was getting out of his hot tub last night in Palm Beach. So he was in a good mood. Look, it's kind of strange that I view adding money to China to be a safer investment than the U.S., but it is, and right now. So there's no reason to believe.
Wait. It's safer in China than the U.S.
These stocks are. These stocks are, absolutely. These stocks are safer to invest at this time than in the U.S. broadly. And the reason for that is because there's no uncertainty in terms of what the economic outlook is and as the government sees it. And when I take a look at these names, and China's not a safe place to invest, don't misunderstand me, I'm just saying very specifically a intermediate to maybe longer term trade in these names, I won't be there forever, is attractive. PDD is at 10 times earnings, right? So that makes it very cheap. There's no reason to believe that you won't see the same momentum in the AI-related stocks in China as you see here. It will never get the multiples, number one. Number two, as the U.S. has cut off, as they should have, our technology to China, it's, necessity's mother invention. They weren't going to stop and say, okay, we're not going to advance technology. They'll do it themselves. So that's what they've done. So I think those are all good trades, all cheap, very, very cheap stocks now.